Cube E-Bike Innovations 2022. The largest German bicycle manufacturer is showing its innovations for 2022. The geometry and the revised Bosch system, which is based on the Cube e-bike with a new Kiox display and large 750 Wh battery, are new. Bikes 2022 is installed. We have all the information and prices for the Cube e-bike innovations for 2022 in the article and in the video. The new 750 Wh battery is an integral part of the new Bosch Smart system. However, it is only available in the new Cube e-bikes from size M upwards. Riders on smaller frame sizes still have to make do with the old Bosch system and 625 Wh battery. The Bosch Power 2 battery from Bosch has a capacity of 750 Wh. Without the cover, you can clearly see how far this long battery protrudes into the control and steering head area. When it comes to the chassis, the Action Team model. Totally on Fox factory products. Braking is done with a Shimano XD brake system with 4 pistons. Cube Verbautik Insanen e-bikes für die Saison 2022 den Bewaten Bosch Performance CX Motor ein. Nu sind in diesem Motor lediglich kleiner Anschluss mit 6mm Stecker. Cube give the new charging port a new cover. It opens to the side and snaps neatly into the open and closed position. Cube relies entirely on Bosch and the smart system from Reutlingen for its e-bikes for 2022. The compact, modern Bosch Kiox 300 display is new here still in sample mode. Also new, the LED remote from Bosch, for the purists among you. This makes a centrally placed Kiox display superfluous. The Bosch LED remote uses colored LED to provide information about the selected support and the charge level of the battery. Also new, the specially developed saddle clamp with integrated tool. A practical gadget with all the essential motor data such as battery status and support level. Without cable ports behind the head too, the frame looks very clean. According to Cube, the Stereo Hybrid 160 should have more progression in the rear suspension. Farewell, spoke magnet. For the 2022 models, the speed sensor magnet is attached exclusively to the rotor. The chain guide swivels up for easy servicing of the chain. This makes it easy to mount the chain on the chainring. The blue looks fresh and modern. The 160 indicates travel and the letter is short for Action Team. When it comes to the chassis, the Action Team model. Team totally on Fox factory products. Braking is done with a Shimano XD brake system with 4 pistons. 17-12 gears at the rear can be easily changed with the Shimano XD rear derailleur. The wheels on this model are from Neumann.